Hi guys, this is going to be a quick review of solving special cases. So here's your first systems. Y is equal to 3x plus 1 and y is equal to 3x minus 3. What do you notice about the two equations? They have the same slope but different y-intercept. If we were to visually graph this, they will be parallel lines. But let's go ahead and solve it algebraically. So in order to solve for this, we can do substitution method. So I can take 3x minus 1, this expression, and substitute it in for the y. We should now have 3x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 3. When we're solving systems using substitution, let's go ahead and isolate the x. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 3x to both sides. And that's going to give us 1 is equal to negative 3. Now you guys remember when we solve when we solve equations with one variable, we know that if we lose our variables and if our expressions at the end are not equal, then we will call this no solution. Let's go ahead and try another one. I have y equals 2x plus 5, and y equals negative 2x plus 5, and y equals negative 2x plus 1. Let's go ahead and solve this one. Alright, so we can use substitution method again, and we're going to have negative 2x plus 5 is equal to negative 2x plus 1. When we solve for this, let's go ahead and try to isolate our x. So we're going to add 2x to both sides of the equation because we want it to be balanced. Now we have 5 does not equal 1. So this is also no solution. Right, no solution. Let's try another one. Here we have x plus y equals 3 and x minus y is equal to negative 3. Now in the past, when we solve for this, what we would do is we would use elimination method because it's easier. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite x plus y equals 3 and x minus y is equal to negative 3. Let's go ahead and solve for this. If I was to solve for this, I can see that my x's are both positive. My y's are opposite. So let's go ahead and eliminate that. So let's go ahead and add down. So we should have 2x. That cancels out. And we're left with 0. In this case, we didn't lose our x. So we want to make sure we solve for it. So we're going to go ahead and divide 2 to both sides of the equation. And x is equal to 0. Let's go ahead and plug it back in to find what our y is. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the first equation. X plus y equals 3. And we know that our x is equal to 0 plus y is equal to 3. So that means y is equal to 3. So in this case, your solution here is 0, 3. So therefore, this would not be a no solution problem. This would not be an infinitely many solution problem because it has one solution. So you would say one solution. Okay, one solution, and the solution is 0, 3.